Next is how we are going to remove the primary key. Once you have set the primary key, you can remove the primary key. For this also you are going to follow the same procedure. You can go to the tools group. In the tools group, again you will find the same icon of the primary key. Click on that and the primary key from the field that is selected will be removed. Or again you can right click on the field and again click on the primary key. Your primary key will disappear from the field. This way we can remove it. Now next is how can we save the table. Whenever we make a table, we write the field names, we set the properties. After setting the properties, data type and everything, we need to save the table. For saving the table, simply press Ctrl+S. As soon as you select this, the table will get saved and it will ask you to write the name for the table. Or you can go to the quick access toolbar and click on the save button. So when you click on the save button, your table will get saved in the database with the extension of .accdb, that is Access Database. So as soon as we click on this one, we get this dialog box as it is shown in the book, Save As dialog box. Here you need to write down the name of the table. After writing the name of the table, you can click on the OK button and your table will be saved. Next, we are going to see how we can see our tables. We can view our tables. As there were two ways to create the table through the database datasheet view and the design view. Similarly, to see the tables, to view the tables also, we are going to follow the same views, that is datasheet view and the design view. Let us see how. To see this, we need to go to the view option, and in the view option which is given in the view group, we will choose from here. You can see this is the view icon, and the view icon we are given datasheet view, we are given design view. So whichever view you want to see the table in, whether in the datasheet, you click on this option, the table will open up in the datasheet view. If you say design view, the table will open up in the design view. Let us see how we can open an existing table in the datasheet view. To see that, to open an existing table in the datasheet view, we will double click on the tables icon in the database window that is shown on the screen. Then we will click on the desired table in the datasheet view, where you can directly enter your values. And to move on to the next field, we will be making use of the tab key. Tab key will help you to move from one field to the another. The lower left area of the window will have a status area that will show how many records you have in your table. Let us see how it looks like. It looks somewhat like this. This is our table that we have opened in the datasheet view. This is the datasheet view. The left side panel will show you the names of the tables that are. So whichever table you want to open, you click on that, and on the right panel you will be able to see that. When you have to move from one field to the another, here we can see we have teacher ID as a field. Then we have the teacher name as a field, subject as a field. You will click on the tab key to move in between the table. And here at the bottom, you can see this area. The bottom area is showing you the number of records, 7 of 7. Total we have 7 records, and at present we are on the 7th record. Next comes how we can delete a record in the table. Deleting a record in the table is quite simple. What we need to do is we have to open the table. When we open the table, just right click on the record, whichever you want to delete. You will get a menu that will show you a delete option. Click on that delete option, or otherwise you can select the record and then press the delete key from the keyboard. That is also one of the method to delete the record. Any of the method you can make use of. Here's a list of the keys that can be used while we enter the records in the table. Tab key can be used to move from one field to another, that is to the right of the field. Shift plus tab can be used to move to the left of the selected field, and is used to move to the last of the field, that is the last record of the field. Home key can be used to move to the first record of the field. Down arrow can be used to come down to the next record in the same column. Up arrow key is used to move to the previous record in the same field. Page down will take us to the next screen of the table record. Page up will help us to move to the previous screen of the table record. Control plus N will help us to move to the last field of the last record in the table. Control and home, it moves to the first field in the first record of the table. So these are some of the keys that can be used to enter the data in the table. And with this we come to the end of the chapter. If you have any queries, you can message me, can ask. And while preparing for the examination, kindly go through the chapters in between properly. Read did you know sections given, read let us recall. This is going to be a great help for you for the examinations. With this is the end of the chapter. Thank you so much.